which we already completed. So not all of the parts you can solve, even if there is one question, because parts are interrelated. So some of the questions are from different chapters. So relevant question we will solve what we have discussed, the topics which we already completed. Okay. Uh, the table shows the numbers of proton, neutron, and electron from particle A to I. So particle A to I, the symbols are like they did not give the right symbol for the element. They use these letters to represent these particles. Answer the following question about particle A to I. Each letter may be used once, more than once, or not at all. So it's not like you will have all the options, like you will use all of them. Maybe one of or two of them are not used at all. So in the first question, they're asking, in the first part, they're asking which particle is an anion. Anion means they're asking for the negative ion. Negative ions are also known as anion. So if particle is an anion, it will have more electron and it will have less proton. So which one from letter A to letter I is having more electron and less protons? So when you check, yeah, that's the right answer. When you check E, E is having more electron and it is having less proton. So E will be a negative ion, and negative ions are known as anion. So that we'll use a letter E for this. Are the cations? Which one of them are the cation? Cation means positive ion, and to be positive ion, they will have more protons and they will have less electron. So there should be two because it may give two parts. So when you check A is having more proton and I as well having more proton. So it will be A and I. Is it clear? Then which of them are noble gas atom? How to work out noble gas atom? Noble gas atom means group 8. And you can check the periodic table in the exam. You will have the periodic table. So when you check the periodic table, group 8 atomic number like might have 2 protons, 10 protons. Group 8 might have 2 protons, 10 protons, 18 protons, 36 protons, 54 protons, and 86 protons. These are all group 8 elements. So we have to find which one is having 2 proton or 10 or 18. So when we check the options, so when you check the option, which one is having, because group 8, element of a group 8 may have 2 protons or atomic number 2, or may have 10 protons, 18 protons. So it could be D and G. Is it clear, this part? Next, they're asking Which one, Abdullah, you're saying? E is a negative ion. So the anion, E is a negative ion or E is the anion. A and I are the cation because A is having more proton and less electron. So it is a positive ion. And I is also having more proton, less electron. So it's also a positive ion. And noble gas means group 8. So noble gas can have 2 proton. Like atomic number, it can be 2, 8, 18 and so on. So we have noble gas. 2 is not there. 8, 10 is there. That we work out, that's D. And 18 is also there, that is D. So D and G are the right answer. It is a halogen atom. Halogen means group 7. That the name, this is because they use these terms from periodic table, that is chapter 9. When we discuss periodic table, you will learn about the groups. But here, what does it mean? It means the halogen. Halogen means group 7. So how we can work out group 7? So group 7 elements, what are group 7? Fluorine, it can have 9 protons, 17 protons, 35 protons, 53 proton and so on. So 9, 17 or 35. So it can have 9 protons, 17 proton or 35, group 7. So there is no 9 proton element, there is an element of 17 protons and there is no 35. So that's why it is F. Then the next part is a group 1 atom. So how to work out group 1 atom? So what are the, again you have to use the periodic table for this. Group 1 atom can have 3 protons, 11 protons, 19 protons and so on. So 3, 11 and 19. So which one of them can have 3 proton or 11 proton or 19 proton? It means that belongs to group 1. So there is no 3, there is no 11 and there is 19 proton, that's H. So that's why we will write that H belongs to group 1. So this will be H. Then they have the same nucleon number. Same nucleon number means that the sum of neutron and proton is called a nucleon number. So which two atoms have the same nucleon number, same sum of neutron and proton? When you add the number of, when you add, you will get the same result. The term nucleon means sum of proton and neutron. So what is the nucleon number for A? When you add them, this will be 1, this will be 12, 14, 20, 32, 35, 40, 39 and 40. So these two G and I have the same nucleon number. G and I, when we add them, because 18 plus 22, that's 40, the nucleon number, and 20 plus 20, that's also 40. So G and I have the same nucleon number. So the answer here is having a same nucleon number, that will be G and I. Which acidity, that leave this part, cause acidity in aqueous solution. Leave this part, that's because they're related to acid. Is used to define the relative atomic mass. So relative atomic mass is mass of an element which is compared with carbon 12. So which one is used in atomic mass, a comparison in atomic mass? So which of them is a carbon? Carbon is 6 and 12. A carbon is having 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. So which one is a carbon? Because relative atomic mass is a mass of atom compared with carbon. In the question they're asking is used to define the relative atomic mass of element. What is the definition of relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass is average mass of the atom which is compared with carbon 12. So when we compare the mass of atom with carbon 12, that mass is known as relative atomic mass. So they're asking which particle is used in relative atomic mass. So in relative atomic mass, we use carbon. So which one of them is carbon? Because carbon is 6 and 12, having 6 protons, 6 neutron, and 6 electron. So which one is having 6 protons, 6 electron, and neutron? That is B. That's why B is the answer for part 8. And explain why B and C are the isotopes. So why B and C are called the isotopes? The definition of isotope, because they have the same number of proton. They have same number of proton but different number of neutron. So when atoms have same number of proton and different number of neutron, we call them as isotope. In part D, Abdullah, they're asking which is used to define the relative atomic mass of element. What is the meaning of relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass is the mass of atom compared with carbon 12. So basically they're asking which particle is used to define the relative atomic mass, or which particle is used to find the relative atomic mass. That's a standard definition of relative atomic mass. It's a standard rule that whenever we compare the atom, the definition of relative atomic mass is the mass of atom compared with carbon 12. That's a fixed definition which you have to learn. And why B and C are the isotopes? So why they are isotopes? Because they have the same number of proton and they have different number of neutron. Is it clear, this question 1? They're asking why B and C are the isotopes. So if you check what is the definition of isotope, the definition of isotope, they have same protons, but they have different neutrons. That's a definition of isotope. So they are saying why B and C are the isotope. So if you see B and C have the same protons, but they have different neutron. That's why we call them as isotope. So this is question 1 from February-March 2021 paper. Is it clear to everyone, this question? Any doubt? So I'll quickly just wind up what we discussed in this question. That in the first part, they're asking which one is the anion. Anion means they're asking for a negative ion. So negative ion will have more electrons. So which is having more electron when we check? So E is having more electrons, as you can see. Then which is a cation? The term cation means the positive ion. So positive ion means have more protons and they should have less electron. So that will be A and I. Or noble atoms of noble gas. So how we work out atoms of the noble gas? Because atoms of noble gas, either 2 protons will be there, 10 protons or 18 protons. So there is one of 10, that is D, and 18, so that is D and G. Halogen means group 7 when we check the periodic table. So they will have 9 protons, 17 proton. So there is no 9, but there is 17. That's why it is F. Then group 1 can have 3 protons, 11 protons, 19 protons. So there is only H. Then have the same nucleon number. Nucleon number means have the same sum. So when we add 18 plus 20, that's make 40, and 20 plus 20, that's make 40. So G and I have the same nucleon number. This part we skip because that we did not study yet. It's used to define the relative atomic mass. So relative atomic mass is a mass of atom, average mass of atom compared with carbon 12. So which is carbon 12? This is all, both B and C are carbon, but B is carbon 12 and C is carbon 14. The mass is 14, 6 plus 8. So that's why B is the answer. And why B and C are the isotopes? Because they have the same number of proton and different number of neutrons. So same proton number, but they have different neutron number. So in the next session,